Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a few items to share with you today. I have a haul from Amazon. First up is going to be the Hello Kitty Deluxe Paper Pad from Cricut. I got it off of Amazon. This was because Armin had shared this on her Happy Mail Queen. If you guys don't know her, go check her out. She had shared this on her haul, and I love Hello Kitty. I did pick up two of this one, but the second design collection I picked up, it's not here yet. So it's the one that she was looking for, but that one just is taking a little longer to get to me. So, but look at how cute. I think it's so cute. So yeah, I got that. I also picked up this pack of 50-piece stickers of like Sanrio, Hello Kitty Sanrio. I couldn't help myself. I'm on a Sanrio trip. This one, I think it's all the Hello Kitty. So the Sanrio one that I picked up is not here yet. So you got 50 stickers of different styles of Hello Kitty. Oh my God. That is my favorite, hands down. And then you have this one and a cupcake. And look at her. Rio de Janeiro. A little cow. And then just the traditional Hello Kitty style. I was looking for some graduation style Hello Kitties. Look at this, cowboys. No, no thank you. And we got a little biker helmet. Just a little emblem. Oh boy, what is she on? A little Thanksgiving and Christmas. Some chocolate milk and cookies. A telephone. How pretty. Oh yeah, work it out, girl. Work it out. Oh, what do we have here? Halloween. I don't know what this costume is, but it looks like Mickey. Birthday. Little stars. How cute. And then a traditional. So cute. So they're all measuring about 2 inches. Yeah, at the most. Look at her. Shopping bags. Little nurse. Oh, nurse. Little girl style, Girl Scout style. Angel wings, teddy bears. Another traditional Hello Kitty. It looks like you get one of each design. Super cute, and I love the texture. It's really smooth. Birthday. Tennis, anyone? Another traditional. How cute. Little black kitty for Halloween. Another traditional. And another one. Different poses. I like that. Cowgirl. Spider-Man. Halloween style. Strawberry. And the little drinky drink. How cute. Another Halloween. I love that there's no repeats. There was a Christmas winter style one. And she has a little pie. I think that would be cute for autumn or fall. And a little umbrella. That's cute. Another umbrella. That one's gigantic. A little soup. A reindeer costume. A knife. What the hell? A traditional Hello Kitty cupcake on a unicorn. Yes. Where's Bonnie? Bonnie and Louisa. They both like unicorns. And then this one's like a little gushing Hello Kitty. How cute. Okay, so I got those. Another thing I picked up. Let me put this away. I was looking for doilies, the colorful foiled doilies, but I had no luck But I also wanted some just, you know, pastels or colorful doilies pretty much. So I found some doilies. Let me, come on girl, get it together. There you go. Get in there. Well, I got a pack of doilies. I think it says here 100 pieces. Really pretty colors. You got mint, purple, red, pinks. How cute. So you get 100 pieces. There's the red, the pink, yellow. Look at that purple. Cute. And then you got mint. So I think these are really pretty colors. I'm waiting for the gold foil one to show up. Ordered those a while back. So, oh no, one more thing. I found a package. Cassie had told me about this. I was looking for little doll safety eyes. So I got some safety eyes. There's 462 pieces with the fasteners. And I got it all. This is all from Amazon. There's still a few more packages that are coming in. So you got the backing for the safety eyes, and there's three different sizes. Here's the larger one. These are really big. And it comes with this really handy box. Pretty cool. So let me see. And you get a pokey tool. That's handy if you're putting it on like fabric. So these also come with some noses for your little, you can see the little nostrils right there. If you're like making little dogs or whatever, animals, they come with different style noses. Here's one for a bunny or that kind of animal. There's a bigger size. And you get this one. It's a little smaller. Very, very handy. I was never putting noses on my animals before. Look at these eyes. These could be eyes or a nose. You could use it as a nose or you could use them as eyes. This one is definitely a nose. So there you go, the little nose. Or big nose, it's not little. So that's the large size. Here are the giant eyes that I was waiting on. So very cool. They're all black eyes. Very cool. I love this set. Thank you so much, Cassie, for letting me know, because I was going to Hobby Lobby basically. I don't know why I didn't think of looking this up on Amazon, but basically buying the little packs, and I was very limited on sizes. So here's a really tiny eye, safety eye. And then you get all of these, and they all work. These different eyes, the small ones, and the smaller noses can work with this fastener, and then the medium ones will work with this. Oh no, not the medium, the large, the really large ones. So the nose and the eyes. And then you have this one, the medium. So you got more of the medium. Awesome little kit. Very, very affordable. And you get a variety of sizes and noses. So I am happy with this. Not everything is here yet. I did order some shoes and some dresses to try out for my husband's formal function. Wish me luck. I don't know. I have to find a dress. I found the shoes on Amazon, and I love it. I love it, my shoes. I have already tried them on, so I'm not going to share it here, but yep, that is it for my haul. Thank you all for watching, and hope to see you on the next one. Bye.